What's that? Pretty cool. There's the tent I dragged out here. See, we can tell you who the real Bigfoot people are. Kevin.
Yes, sir.
More than half the people bailed out of this event when they found out that there was miles of hiking and primitive camping. One entire group that was supposed to come here, I'm not going to mention their name, they bailed when they found out they could not car camp. Does that sound like faithful, real Sasquatch people?
No, I guess not.
I mean, it is a matter of opinion.
It's you want you to get back, or
You gotta go where the beast is at. You cooked filet mignon, that was pretty good.
you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just having a hard time.
Terry makes a lot of noise.
Keeps the critters away.
I hope no raccoons were crawling on her while we were gone. All right. She would have liked what we were seeing.
Yeah, that sky was absolutely
The stars, the
gorgeous.
moon, the potential UFO things flying around out there.
Yeah, that one red thing was
Yeah.
pulsating.
So tell me, Kevin, you talked to a park ranger today, and he said that the 15-inch prints that we found were fake.
Yeah, I asked him, you know, at first we were talking about...
Weren't you sleeping, girl?
Yeah, I was. Not now.
But she's all rested.
Yeah, and you have the fire.
Closer to fire.
Yeah.
I must look like a total wreck.
Not at all.
Yes.
So the park ranger, we were talking about where we were, and he was showing me on the map, and then just kind of nonchalantly brought up the subject of Bigfoot. And I said a couple weeks ago somebody had reported a Bigfoot sighting, and there was a YouTube video on it.
Right, and he was aware of it. He knew about
And
it.
he was aware of it,
Okay.
yeah. And he said that, they talked to the guy. It was actually a guy in a Bigfoot suit, and
Oh my
they kicked him out.
Right, and
Oh my God.
they told us that was the day before we were there, but what they didn't know is that the video had actually been shot on March 2nd, which was 2 weeks prior to the guy in the suit.
Mm.
The guy in the suit saw the YouTube video and thought he would pull a goof.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, it was a copycat.
So he said that the guy he works with has been here for 30 years, has never seen anything. No definitive proof is what he said.
Yeah, well,
And I asked him about the 15-inch prints, and he said they must have been man-made.
yeah. You know, it's the ones we found in the Green Swamp were 15 inches, and the ones found here were 15 inches. Everything's measuring 15. I guess that tape measure's just stuck on 15 inches. Huh?
Maybe you got a problem with your tape measure.
Could be.
Is it made in China?
I don't know. I got it for $1 at Walmart, so.
Well, there you go.
Wow, look at that moon.
I know.
Oh my.
That's that moon we saw earlier.
It came up.
Harvest moon. It
red.
popped right up
Oh my
over the
God,
right. Scared us at first, actually.
I thought it was like a rocket taking off on the East Coast. Sometimes you'll see that.
Yeah.
The glow
Yeah.
from the Kennedy Space
Oh
Center.
my gosh, that's amazing.